Hello everyone. I recently had the privilege of attending a great session with Dr. Prabhat Kaushik sir, the founder of Education Beyond Books. He spoke about the key qualities every teacher should have, and it really made me think. In this video, I will talk about what I learned, especially about analytical and problem solving skills. What does it mean? Analytical skill refers to the ability to collect and evaluate information, identify patterns and relationships, and draw logical conclusions. Now, as a teacher, I can assess my students' learning levels through observation and data like test, result, participation, etc. I can identify gaps in understanding or areas of struggle. I can evaluate the effectiveness of instructional method and materials. For example, when I notice that majority of the students performed poorly on a particular section of a test using analytical skill, I review the lesson plan, teaching method and test question to determine the clarity of my concept. Now, second is problem solving skills. What does it mean? Problem solving is the ability to find solution to difficult or complex issues. I use problem solving when a student is consistently disruptive or disengaged. Lesson plans are not yielding expected outcomes and there is a lack of resources or time. Now, what are the steps of problem solving? First, identify the problem clearly. For example, students are not turning in homework. Second, gather relevant information. For example, reasons for non-submission. And third, brainstorm possible solution. For example, change deadlines, offer support, and call parents. Now, what is the importance of these skills? Teachers can adapt lessons and method to suit varied learning styles and needs. Analytical thinking helps in understanding behavior patterns and resolving conflicts calmly. Teachers can diagnose learning difficulties early and design interventions. Reflective and analytical thinking leads to continuous self-improvement. So in the end, I would like to say that analytical and problem-solving skills are not just beneficial but essential for teachers. They empower educators to deal effectively with everyday challenges and long-term goals. A teacher who can think critically and solve problems creatively becomes a strong guide, mentor, and role model for the students. Thank you.